4 I will take tomorrow in Zoom class. Today I shall start with squares and square root with the first chapter, with the first exercise. Rest of the information I will give you via PPT, but before I start, I just want to check your previous knowledge. Okay, what you understand by a square number. Chapter का नाम है squares and square roots. But today we will deal only with squares. See, the shape of a square you all know. Shape of a square is like this. Shape of the square is this. Now, my question to you is, you all have done the area and perimeter of a square. If side of a square is 1 centimeter, then its area is 1 into 1, that is 1 centimeter square. Just check, I have made a square of side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, so the area will be 1 centimeter square. Similarly, if the side of a square is 2 centimeter, then area of a square is 2 into 2, that is 4 centimeter square. 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, now I request you all to kindly switch off your audio. If side of a square is 3 centimeter, its area is 3 into 3, that is 9 centimeter. Sides are 3 by 3, so the area of that is 9 centimeter. Now, if the side of a square is 4 centimeter, then what will be its area? Then what will be its area? Its area will be 16 centimeters. Very good. And if side of the square is 5 centimeter, then its area will be
25.
correct. And if the side of a square is 6 centimeters,
36.
its area will be
36.
very good. So you have understood. ये तो आपको पहले से ही पता था. ये इसकी knowledge के basis पे let us start with the chapter squares and square root. Today I will discuss only the basics of this chapter. Now, step 1, this is the first PPT. This is the first PPT where in first column I have written first 10 natural numbers. Where in first column I have written first 10 natural numbers. And in the second column I have written their squares. If I multiply 1 by 1, what I will get? 1. If I multiply 2 by 2, what I will get? 4. If I multiply 3 by 3, what I will get? 9. ये भी मैंने आपको बोर्ड पे explain किया था ना. If the side of a square is 3 centimeter, then its area is 9 centimeter square. So area हम कैसे calculate करते हैं? When we multiply side by side. If the side of a square is 4 centimeter, then 4 into 4 is 16. 5 into 5 is 25. 6 into 6 is 36. 7 into 7 is how much?
49.
Very good. 8 into 8 is how much?
64.
Very good. 9 into 9 is how much?
81.
Very good. And 10 into 10 is 100.
100.
Similarly, you can find the square of rest of the natural numbers also. है ना? अब just observe, one is an odd number or an even number?
Odd number.
Okay. 2 is an odd number or even number?
Even.
So square of an odd number is an odd number. Square of an even number is an even number.
Yes, ma'am.
Square of 3. 3 is an odd number. So उसका square odd है या even? Request you to kindly switch off your audio, please. Please switch off your audio. Okay. 5 into 5 is 25. 5 is an odd number, so 25 is also an odd number. 6 is an even number, 36 is also an even number. 7 is an odd number, its square is 49, an odd number. Similarly for 8, 9 and 10. You can take any number at random. If a number is an even number, then automatically its square will also be an even number. If the number is an odd number, then
Square with
Ronak, Rohan, Keshav, please switch off your audio. Switch off your audio. बेटा ये मेरी वॉइस बाकी बच्चों पे नहीं पहुंच पाती है तुम लोगों की वजह से. Who else says switch on your audio? Akshiti. Be careful. बेटा ऐसा है कभी तो स्कूल खुलेंगे ना. Then I will take care of you. Behave yourself. Next time I will just not let you come inside my class. Behave properly. Harshit Best, do you
Yes,
have any
ma'am.
query? Then kindly switch off your audio. Be careful. It's first and the last time I have scolded you all like this. Kashvi, why did you switch on your audio? मैं तुम्हें पढ़ाऊं या ये मैं चेक करती रहूं why and how you people are creating disturbance in the class? Now the first observation, square of an even number is an even number. Square of an odd number is an odd number. Is there any problem in this slide? Kindly ask. Otherwise, we will move to the next slide.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so next slide.
No, ma'am.
Kindly observe. Here in first column, I have written the square of few numbers. If you observe the ones place of these square numbers, they are ending with 1. 1 is the square of 1. 81 is the square of 9. 121 is the square of 11. 361 is the square of 19. And 441 is the square of 21. If you observe carefully, हाँ बेटे,
Ma'am, can you just do Zoom?
हाँ,
Ma'am, can you do
kindly,
Zoom?
बेटा क्या?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the
Zoom.
board is not visible.
Board is not visible.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
properly.
Ma'am, it is visible clearly.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am, it is
Now,
visible.
wait a minute. Wait.
Yes, ma'am, it
For
is
those
visible.
the board is. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me say something. If the board is not visible to you, kindly adjust your class. क्योंकि मेरी तरफ से मैं सामने लैपटॉप पर भी देख रही हूँ. It is clearly visible. Another thing is मैं सारी recording Google Classroom में डालूंगी and PPT is also there in that. You can go through it and then if you have any doubt, kindly ask. Am I clear to you?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Square of few numbers
Yes,
are
ma'am.
ending with 1. Now observe those numbers. वो numbers जिनके ones place पर या तो 1 है या 9 है. 11 ones place is 1. 19 ones place is 9. 21 ones place is 1. So if a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends in 1. Who will read it once again? Kindly read this. If a number has, ये वाला statement.
If a number has 1 or 9 in the unit,
Sir, 9 नहीं. Wait.
ends with
If a number has one or
If a number has 1 or
number has
9 in
1
the
or
unit
9
place,
in the
units
then
place
its
and
square
its
ends in
square
1.
ends in
root is in
से
1.
echo करके बोल रहा है. Rest of you kindly. अब है ना, now I have learnt a lesson from you. अब कोई hand भी raise करेगा ना, मैं नहीं बात करूंगी तुम लोगों से. If you have to give the answer like this. बाकी sections में लेती हूँ, इतना problem नहीं होता है. You people are over smart. Now switch off your audios. Now, next slide is squares of few numbers are given. They all are ending with 6. 16 is the square of 4. 36 is the square of 6. 196 is the square of 14. And 256 is the square of 16. You can check any of the number. If a number is ending either with 4 or 6, then its square ends with 6. If a number has 4 or 6 in the units place, then its square ends in 6. Kindly observe it once again. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 6 is 36. Both of them are ending with 6. Square of 14 is 196. Square of 16 is 256. Both are ending with 6. So I repeat the observation, or if a number has 4 or 6 in the unit place, then its square ends in 6.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait a minute. हाँ बेटे बोलो, बोलिए. Advik, kindly ask. Advik.
Ma'am, can you explain again?
Ma'am, no doubt.
Okay, I
Ma'am,
will
no doubt.
explain again. Okay. Okay, kindly switch off your mic. आधे से ज़्यादा time तो मुझे यही कहने में लग जाता है आप लोगों को. Square of 4 is 16. Now let me repeat. अब मैम मत बोलो. Kindly listen to me. Square of 4 is 16. Square of 6 is 36. Square of 14 is 196. And square of 16 is 256. All these square numbers are ending with 6. You can try at your own for 26, 36, 34, 24 or any other number. And I'm sure उनके square भी 6 से ही end करेंगे. Is this clear to you?
Yes,
Shall we
ma'am.
move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Now in the next slide, square number is ending with 4. 4, 64, 144, 324. Let us check there the square of 4 is the square of 2. 64 is the square of 8. 144 is the square of 12. And 324 is the square of 18.
Ma'am, your voice is bouncing.
ओके तुम लोग अपने माइक ऑफ करो, वीडियो ऑफ करो तो मेरी आवाज क्लियरली सुनाई देगी ना तुम लोगों को. I repeat from the beginning. Number is 2. It is ending with 4 as square. Means 2 into 2 is 4. 8 into 8 is 64. Again it is ending with 4. 12. 12 is ending with 2. Square of 12 means 12 into 12 is ending with 4, but that is 144. 18 is ending with 8 and square of 18 is 324. If a number has 2 or 8 in the units place, then its square ends in 4. I repeat my instruction. If a number has, wait a minute, wait.
If the number
Quiet. If a number has 2 or 8 in the units place, then its square ends in 4. Now, shall we move to the next slide?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Wait. Next. Yes. Now, 9, 49, 169, 289, they all are ending with 9. They are the square of, 9 is the square of 3. 3 की units place पे क्या है? 3 है. 49 is the square of 7. 7 की units place पे क्या है? 7 और उसके square में है 9 at units place. 169 is the square of 13. 13 की units place पे क्या है? 169. 13 की units place पे है 3 और इसके square पे है 169. Now, 17, square of 17 is 289. 17 की ones place पर है 7 और 17 के square के place ones place पर है 9. All these square numbers are ending with 9 if the number is ending with either 3 or 7. I repeat, all the square numbers are ending with 9 if the number is ending with 3 or 7. Is it clear to you? अभी जैसे हमने previous case में किया था, 1 से जो square end हो रहे थे, उनके numbers जो end होते थे या तो 1 से या 9 से. So similarly, if a number has 3 or 7 in the units place, then its square ends in 9. Next slide. Square अब ध्यान से देखो. Square of 5 is 25. 5 into 5 is 25. 15 into 15 is 225. 25 into 25 is 625. If a number has 5 in the units place, यहाँ पर देखो 5 है units place पर, तो उसका square भी किससे end हो रहा है? The square is also ending with 5. If a number is having 5 in the units place, then its square also ends in 5. Next, 10 100. 20 ka square 400. 30 ka square 900. If a number is ending with 0, then its square is also ending with 0. So I repeat both the instructions. If a number has 5 in the units place, then its square ends in 5. Just a minute. Who has switched on the mic? एक आवाज आ रही है. Archit.
Yes.
Archit. Kindly switch off your audio. If a number has 0 in the units place, then its square also ends in 0. Now let us go through what we have done today. Summary.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटे बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, their mic is on, and ma'am, I cannot hear you properly.
Okay, who's Archit को तो मैंने डांट के चुप करा दिया. अब किसी का mic on नहीं है. Now am I audible to you? Now am I audible to you?
Ma'am,
Yes,
from
You just kindly tell me the name. Kindly tell me the name. Am
Ma'am,
I
yeah.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now, Arav of 8C. Are you there in the class? Arav 8C.
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
Arav, kindly read the first instruction loudly.
If a number has 1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends in 1.
Okay, very good. Now, one more. Arjun, kindly read the first instruction once again. Arjun, are you there in the class? Arjun, I'll mark you absent if you will not answer. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then Arjun, speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Arjun,
Ma'am, you are not audible.
एक लगाऊंगी मैं अच्छे से.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly read the first instruction. If a number has 1 or 9,
If a
kindly
number
read
has
this.
1 or 9 in the units place, then its square ends in 1.
Okay,
if a
then kindly
number
read the
has
second
four-
instruction also.
Yes, ma'am. If a number has 4 or 6 in the units place, then its square ends in 6.
Very good.
If a
Thank you
number
so much.
has 2,
Okay, wait. Now kindly switch off your audio. Thank you so much. Janvi, are you there in the class? Janvi of 8C. Janvi, I will mark you absent if you will not answer.
yes, ma'am.
Janvi, kindly read the third instruction. If a number has 2 or 8.
Okay, ma'am. If a number has 2 or 8 in the units place, then the square ends in 4.
Very good. Kindly read the next instruction also.
If a number has 3 or 7 in the units place, then its square ends in 9.
Very good. Now, Ashman, your roll number is 1 from 8D. Are you there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly read. If a number has 5 in the units place, kindly read this.
If a number has 5 in the units place, then its
Square ends in.
square ends in 5.
And next.
If a number has 0 in the units place, then its square ends in 0.
Very good. So all these PPTs I will upload in Google Classroom. If you will have any doubt, you can go through it and do not hesitate to ask. Now this is the summary. Let us come to the observations. Square of any number. Did you observe square of any number does not end with 2, 3, 7 or 8? Let us move to the first slide. Just give me 1 minute. Let us move to the first slide. Yes. See, on the second column, no square is ending with 2 and 3
Your
and 7 and 8. Okay. No square number is ending with 2. देखो कहीं पर भी 2 नहीं आ रहा. It is ending either with 1, 4, 9, 6, 5. 1, 4, 9, 6. Have you observed a pattern? 1 यहाँ पर भी है, 1 फिर end में आया. 4 यहाँ है, then 64. 9 यहाँ पर है, then 49. 6 is here. 6 means एक curve बन रहा है. 6 and 36. 9 and 49. 6 and 36, 9 and 49, 4 and 64, 1 and 81. Not even a single square is ending with 2, 3, 7 and 8. Means our observation is if a number is ending with 2, 3, 2, 3, 7 and 8, that means it is not a perfect square. If I will say 1002, it's a perfect square. Without calculation, can you tell me, is it a perfect square or not? Kindly give me the answer.
No, ma'am.
It's not a perfect square because it is ending with 2. Now, kindly
No.
give me few more examples. Kindly give me few more examples where without calculation we can say that this number is not a perfect square. 108, yes, it is not a perfect
33.
square. Next number, 33 is not a perfect square. Huh?
22.
Ma'am,
42 is
130.
not a perfect square. Next,
41.
147 is
72.
not a perfect square.
77.
Not a
77.
perfect
72.
square. 11
Ma'am,
is not.
130.
Very good, very good. Very good. Now this is
52,
the
62,
homework that
70.
also that I will upload in Google Classroom also. Now, today's class I'm going to culminate. Before that, wait a minute. Okay, now today's class, this much today I wanted to teach you. Today is only the basic class of squares. How can we find a square? Which numbers are perfect square? Which numbers cannot be a perfect square? As you have given me so many examples, 12 is not a perfect square, 13 is not a perfect square, 17 is not a perfect square. The reason is they are ending with either 2 or 3 or 7 or 8. If a number is ending with 2 or 3 or 7 or 8, it can never be a perfect square. है ना? For example, if I say 35 is a perfect square, although 35 is also not a perfect square, but here we have to check by doing prime factorization that we will do in the next class. But at random, few questions which you can give me orally, and these are the questions which I have given you homework. Whatever concepts I have teach you today, on the basis of that, these are the first 5 questions of exercise 6.1 which you have to do at your home. Fine.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
If you have any doubt, kindly ask. Yes. Grisha? Grisha, kindly ask.
Ma'am, your voice was cutting in between.
Okay, now, but you are audible. You can ask your question, Grisha.
I was saying that I was not able to hear what you gave as homework.
I also can't hear you. Ek kaam karna, otherwise you can call me anytime if you have any doubt, if you have missed any of the concept in today's class. Okay.
ma'am. Thank you.
Fine. Now let me culminate the class. Once again, I would like to take your attendance. After giving the attendance, you may leave. But kindly and please switch off your audio. सिर्फ जिसकी attendance हो रही है